So just a couple weeks ago, a judge out in California, it was U.S. District Judge Susan Ilston, was handling a lawsuit against the Trump administration. And the lawsuit brought by federal employees argued that these government agencies, Doge, the Office of Management and Budget, they don't actually have the authority to tell other government agencies that you have to lay off 500 people, 1,000 people, 50 people, whatever it is. They don't have that authority to do that. Yet that is what they're doing, and these agencies are, of course, complying under these orders. And so, as part of this ongoing lawsuit, Judge Ilston told the federal government, Donald Trump's DOJ lawyers, she said, listen, you guys are going to have to submit your agency reductions in force and reorganization plans, your ARRPs. You're going to have to show us in court, because it's vital to this lawsuit, what your plans are for mass firings in the federal government. On Sunday of this week, 2 days before they were due to turn in these, plans, Trump's administration lawyers with the DOJ submitted a filing to the judge. And they said that, Judge, first of all, totally irrelevant to the case. We don't need to do this because it doesn't matter, even though it's a case about mass government firings and you want documents on mass government firings. We feel that a document on mass government firings is not relevant to a case about mass government firings. So they start off real dumb, right? Like, no, you don't need the documents that literally prove what these people are saying. That's not how this works. It's exactly how it works, which is why they want them. But then they argued, after their stupidness, they got even dumber. And they said, Judge, listen, if we reveal these, it's going to cause, quote, embarrassment to the federal government. Yeah. That's their legal argument that, hey, Judge, if we show you these documents, Donald Trump is going to get really embarrassed. The whole federal government is going to be real embarrassed because, man, these are bad, right? That's their legal argument. We can't comply with your court order because we don't want to be embarrassed. Well, now I got to see the plans, right? Like, that only makes everybody want to see them more. Like, how bad are they that they would cause the government embarrassment if they were revealed to the public? How incompetent are these people that if we saw their plans in writing, they would be embarrassed? That really is saying something. Hell, I mean, that argument, which for the record is not a valid legal argument, tells us so much more than anything we could find from the documents. I gotta be honest, we may not even need them at this point, because this admission alone shows us that we are in fact governed by the dumbest people imaginable. People so incompetently stupid that the plans they themselves drafted would embarrass even them if they were released to the public. Well, Judge Ilston, I think you know what to do. The public needs to see this embarrassing material because we do have a right to know how embarrassingly incompetent our government leaders are. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. We got fresh content every day for you. And if you want to follow us across social media, make sure you check out all of the social links that we have posted in the description of this video.